Correct WH question here would be, when was he created? Answer is Batman. The correct WH question is, who is he? Next answer, Bruce Wayne. Correct WH question is, what is his name? Next answer, he is the CEO at Wayne Enterprises. Correct WH question is, what is his job? Answer is Gotham City. Correct question would be, where does he live? Next answer, he is human. Correct WH question could be, what is his weak points? Next answer, 1936. The correct WH question could be, he is human. I messed up on that one a little bit. So the first question is, the first answer is, he is human. What is the WH question? If any of you answered, what are his weak points, you are correct. Next answer, Catwoman, Joker, and Penguin. If you asked, who are his enemies, you are correct. Next answer, Gotham City. If you asked, where does he live, you are correct. Next answer, Bruce Wayne. If you asked, what is his name, you are correct. Next answer, Batman. If you asked, who is he, you are correct. Next answer, 1936. If you asked, when was he created, you are correct. First answer, The Flash. The correct question is, who is he? Next answer, Zoom. Correct question is, who is his enemy? Next answer, Central City. Correct question would have been, where does he live? Next answer, forensic scientist. Correct question would have been, what is his job? What is used to ask a question when there are an unknown number or infinite possibilities for an answer. Some examples. What is his name? There could be any number of names for him, so we use what. Another example is, what do you like to eat? You could choose anything for what you like to eat. You could like to eat noodles, you could like to eat rice. There are so many possibilities for an answer, so we use what. Who is used to ask for information about people. Who is he? Who is that man? We're asking about people, so we use who. Where is to ask information about places. Where do you live? Where is the party? Where should I go? Where do I sit? We want to know about the place that we are supposed to go to, so we use where. When. We use when to ask for information about a moment in time or dates. So when is your birthday? When do I have to come? When is the party? When is your birthday is asking for information about a specific date. When is the party could also be asking about a date. When does school start? Could be asking information about time. Why? We use why to ask information about a reason. Why do you have your hair like that? Why did you not clip your nails? Why do you wear glasses? Why do you eat so much? Why are you hungry? We are looking for a reason, so we use why.